New sound for the radio. FEI, oh, berry pon this.
I decided to do my brows off camera because it was a struggle to do them on camera. So if you need a brow tutorial, just let me know. I'll dedicate one full video to a brow tutorial. I'm going to prime my lids with this NYX concealer, this shade right here. When I'm done priming my lids with the concealer, I'm going to set it with loose powder.
And I'ma drop it for you, dip it for you, and roll it for you. For you, you, you. For you, you, you. Oh baby, I'ma drop it for you, dip it for you, and roll it for you. For you, you, you.
I'm going to go in with my Beauty Creations Olivia palette. I'm taking this reddish color, using a big fluffy brush to apply that color in my crease. This is going to serve as a transition color for our smoky eye.
I wanna make love to you until the morning. Grow old and strong with you until the morning. Have a baby boy with you. We'll call him Kwame. I wanna make love to you.
Make sure you blend out the edges well. Otherwise, you're going to be left with harsh lines, and we don't want harsh lines. We don't want harsh lines in our eyeshadow. The base of my eyeshadow, of my black eyeshadow, I'm using my Inglot number 77 gel liner. I'm going to apply it all over my lid, almost to my crease area. Don't apply it too close to the inner corner, otherwise you look like you have a black eye, and that's not the look we are going for. I'm going back to my Olivia palette, and I'm taking this dark brown shade, this dark brown shade, to help with it. Blend till your hand falls off. Blend till your hand falls off. I'm going to my sleek palette, and I'm taking this black shade over here as my lid color. I'm going back to that fluffy brush I used to apply the red transition color, just to blend out the edges more.
I wanna make love.
I'm using this pigment. It's called Olive. I'll leave all the details of the product I use in the description box down below. This is what the pigment looks like. I'm going to wet my brush a bit just so I can have more pigmentation. Going back into the brush I used to blend out the eyeliner, just to blend out the edges. Now moving on to the skin. First of all, I'm going to prime with the Skindanavia Oil Control Primer. I'm going to spritz my face a bit. I'll wait for it to dry a bit. Then I'll go on with my MAC Strobe Cream.
Don't break my heart.
I'm going to go on with my Pond's primer. I'm going to apply that in the areas where it gets oily the most. That's my T-zone.
Have a baby boy with you. We'll call him Kwame.
For foundation, I'm going to be mixing the LA Girl Pro Matte in Cappuccino with a drop of my LA Girl Longwear Illuminating Foundation in Dark Chocolate, because the Cappuccino is a bit too yellow for me. So I'm mixing these two foundations so I can get my perfect shade. I'm applying this using my BH Cosmetics number 2 brush. This one. Going in for 1 pump each, or should I say 2 pumps of the matte, and then half a pump of the dark cocoa, the dark chocolate, for a bit more coverage, because I need more coverage. And my forehead, because my forehead is darker than the rest of my face, so I need more coverage on my forehead. To highlight, using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm going to go under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, above my lip, and a little on my chin, because I don't want my chin to be too bright. I'm going to blend this using my LA Girl sponge. I've been thinking of changing my concealer. I wanted to try the ColourPop No Filter concealer, but I don't know. I need to watch more reviews on it. I really wanted to try it out. Oh, baby, I'ma try before you, dear, before you. And from the reviews I've watched, it has good coverage. It has bomb coverage. So leave a comment down below if you want me to try the ColourPop concealers, the no filter concealers, so that we'll just see how it works in this Ghana weather. And also, ColourPop came out with new foundations. I'm going to try and get my hands on them. I'm going to try and get my hands on them so I could do a review in the Ghana weather. This hot, since our own summer is coming, it's going to be very hot. I'm going back with my LA Girl concealer because I need a little bit more coverage under my eyes. I don't know why we make these weird faces when we are blending our concealer. I'm going in with the brush I use for my foundation and I just blend out the perimeter of the concealer. This will help it blend into the foundation. I'm going to use my RCMA No Color Powder to set the concealer. I'm going to set first before I bake. Look up to prevent the concealer from creasing under your eyes. You don't want any creases here. Now to bake, I'm using my Sacha Buttercup powder just to give me that warmth under my eyes. The Maybelline Clear Smooth in Cacao, just to bring back the warmth to my face. Don't forget your jawline. Now I'm going to contour with my Sleek Face Foam in dark. I'm using my Colorbox Cosmetics brush, which has my name on it. Yes, Colorbox Cosmetics brush. their angled brush.
Have a baby boy with you. We'll call him Kwame. I wanna make love to you.
I have to get this double chin. This double chin that's trying to grow again after I lost it. This small angled brush in the same powder to contour my nose. Just a little bit.
Drop it for you, dip it for you, and roll it for you.
Taking this color box brush to dust away the powder from under my eyes, and I'm not going to just dust away the powder. I'm going to dust it off with Maybelline's pressed powder and Toffee.
Don't you run away from me, don't break my heart. I wanna make love to you until the...
For blush, I'm using this random plum blush I got from town.
Until the morning, have a baby boy with you.
I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray, makeup extender setting spray, just to get that powdery look of my face. Whew. You have to drown yourself in it. Wow, that was refreshing. So while that dries, I'm going to put glue on my lashes. I'm going to put mascara on my lashes first. Now the lashes are on, I'm going to smoke my bottom lash line with the colors I used for the top. I'm going to line my waterline with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I'm going to highlight the inner tear duct, my inner tear duct, with Casablanca from the Juvia's Masquerade mini palette. I'm going to highlight my face using the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold.
Oh, berry pondis.
Highlight my nose, the bridge of my nose, because highlights never killed nobody.
I wanna make love to you until the morning.
You have to look like a glazed donut. If you're not looking like a glazed donut, then you're not done highlighting. For lips, I'm going to go with the Black Secret Chocolate Diva.
And I'ma drop it for you.
And Forever Ultra Matte Lippy in Marble. Just a little in the center.
Drop it for you, dip it for you, and roll it for you.
And I'm going to go over that with a Victoria's Secret lip gloss.
All the things you do.
So that concludes today's tutorial. I hope you learned a lot from it. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you can get notifications as to when I post. Thank you very much. See you.